Hello viewers, today we're in Thornliebank and we're in the main street. This might be a wee trip down memory lane for you guys who are brought up in Thornliebank, maybe stayed here many years ago. Just a wee look down the main street. Not changed too much over the years, a few different shops, a couple of pubs. If you go down to the left here, there's a hairdresser's, a wee beauty salon. It's quite popular. A lot of people come from far away to go to it because the prices are pretty good. And Thornliebank, just down the road really from Gifford in East Renfrewshire towards the south side of Glasgow. Down the road from Darnley, Nits Hill, not too far away from Newton Mearns and Rook and Glen Park. The wee takeaway place here is quite popular, Pepe's Piri Piri. And if you go further out of Thornliebank, some of the youngsters head up to Gin and Nick's Gin Bar. It's quite popular. I'm not going to walk up as far as that today. We'll walk along to McDonald's, which is just at the end of the main street. There's the Rowallan, unfortunately, not open just now. If you've been to Thornliebank or maybe you've stayed here, give me a shout if you had a pint in the Rowallan. If you're new to the channel, welcome, thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button below the video, it's absolutely free, you'll be notified when I upload new videos. We do walks all around Scotland. Let me know if you can recommend a place I can visit. I'll probably end up going there one day to take a wee video for you. Thornliebank, just at the side of the main street, you get a wee house and estate. There's quite a lot of houses down there. And across the road as well, of course. You've got some, what we call in Scotland, probably tenements, old tenements. So as you can see, it's not really changed much over the years, Thornliebank. Just a wee small place with the main street. A few wee shops and supermarkets. Fish and chip shop. You always need to have a chippy in Scotland, don't you? Whether it's a town or a wee village. A chippy and a bookmaker next to it, there's a Betfred bookmakers. And if we walk further up, we'll end up at McDonald's. The local butcher's there as well, just shut for the day. It's about 6 o'clock, 6 PM now in Scotland. It's about 12-13 degrees, windy, and this is almost the middle of June. So the weather not the best today. It has been quite nice the past few days. Not the best today. If you'd like to support the channel, guys, hit the like button. It's absolutely free. It just pushes the video out a wee bit on YouTube. And remember, if you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button. Again, that's absolutely free. We've got walks around Glasgow, Edinburgh, Paisley, Ayr, Troon, and further up towards Loch Lomond, and we've got more walks coming soon. So this is us just coming to really the end of the main bit in the main street at Thornliebank, and it's a lot of people's favourite places. McDonald's, they've got a drive-through, it's open till quite late at night, and you obviously get takeaway and you get sit in, and it's really popular, obviously. Quite handy for the guys who live in the houses across the road. Probably not the best thing for your diet if you've got McDonald's on hand. Temptation every single day coming in here. Thanks for watching the video, guys. That was just showing you a wee bit of Thornliebank on the main street. If you're from Thornliebank, give me a wee comment below. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Maybe brought back some memories when you stayed here years ago. And if you just enjoy watching other videos in Scotland, remember, subscribe to the channel. Absolutely free. And we'll see you on the next video, where we'll be going somewhere else on a wee walk in Scotland.